Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ate Femix Vlog. Ayan, nandito kami guys sa seaside kasi sabi nila amo, may marathon daw. So parang tahimik na guys ng panahon. So ang ganda na pala nitong side na to. So I think the marathon Coco no more. We still go there? Huh? Why you wanna play here? We need to go there? Huh? Why you wanna stay here? Okay, let's go. We're gonna walk for a while. Hold my hand. Ayan guys, so may building pa kami dito ginagawa. Sobrang lawak pa yung building na yan.
John!
Ayan. Leave it them to play langga. If you want to go with me, come here. So, ito guys yung seaside dito sa kabila. Ayan, marami ng mga bridge yan, mga connection. Ayan, Chokingling yung connect niyan. Tapos doon naman yung bridge doon sa kabila. Connection naman yun ng Chongquan, oh. Let's go, baby, come here. Hold my hand. No, we'll come back, don't worry. Just only walk here.
I mean, John said she
What?
is going with me to walk.
Okay, yeah. So happy Sunday everyone, and always keep safe, and always keep safe guys. Ang ganda ng Lohas Park guys, kumpara nung 2018 na lumipat kami dito. Napakalungkot, pero ngayon oh, ganda na dito. Maganda mag-jogging dito guys.
Oh, hello na. It's cold here.
Alright. Oh.
Ice cream yummy.
Yes, bebe.
Hey, my hand.
Ah, where's your hand? Where's your hand? Missing.
Dito kami sa Manila Bay. Dito sa Manila Bay.
So, really, ang ganda na dito talaga, guys. Super ganda na talaga.
Naglaro ka doon sa palaruan? Maganda doon?
Ang ganda ng panahon kayo ngayon, guys. Pero mukhang malamig ngayon.
Maganda yung palaruan na
Parang
naglaro
19
mo?
degrees ngayon, guys. Kaya medyo malamig talaga siya. At mahangin kasi. Diba?
Cold. Why you don't bring any jackets? Ayan, no need na. Just for Coca. Because Coca is not very thick.
Ayan, walang tao guys, kukunti. Ayan, thank you for watching everyone. Ayan, Ate Femix Vlog po. Ay, hindi pa naka-subscribe, please subscribe na guys. At bell all nyo guys para po ma-notify kayo sa sunod kong video. Thank you so much everyone. God bless us all. Bye.